Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wheelfin here, and we got a CSX freight close to like 215. It's going a little bit slow here because another stacker went by slowly, getting confused to see if we can get into the train yard. But in this guy's part has to go slow behind him. But he seems to be motoring up fast here because that other stacker probably got out of the block and onto a side track or something. There he goes, motoring